Hello, good day, teacher and classmates. My name is Milena Moncada. Currently, I am studying a bachelor's degree in foreign languages with emphasis in English. Today, I am going to share with you some of my likes and dislikes, also friends of my routine and mine, and finally a picture that I choose to explain about it. Let's begin. I call it a little bit about me because it's a way for you to know me a little bit more, to know each other. So I hope you liked it. Well, I am going to start with plate full of vegetables because I am vegetarian. So one of the most important things for me is to eat healthy. So I really like to eat healthy every day. The next one I made a collage of images of things I enjoy to do every day. One of the things I love, I enjoy, is learning new idioms. I just know English right now, but I hope I can learn Japanese in the future. Also, I really like to ride bikes or riding bike because it's like transportation for me. I go to my job by riding bike, so it's one of the most important things of my day because I exercise and I don't get stressed because of the traffic. And also I am interested on dancing. I am not good at dancing, so that's why I'm interested. I would like to learn how to dance and different types of music like bachata, like salsa, and many others. But I don't know yet. I hope I can learn soon. Also, I like to read books. I am not like reading one book per day. I choose a book and I read it in a week or more, a little bit more. But I really enjoy to read parts of the book every day. And finally, I am into singing. I I am not. I don't know how to sing professionally. I just enjoy to sing, and I do it every day. If I can sing a song, I sing it. But I would like also to learn about sing professionally in the future. And now we go with my dislikes or things I am not good at. Uh, I like to hanging out with friends, but I enjoy the most being in my home, being at home, reading books or listening to music or doing things, relaxing things. I don't enjoy pretty much going out. And another thing, something I cannot stand is street noises. That is the most what is the most is the thing is one of the things that I can like tolerate pretty much. So I am like stressed when I am outside, so that's why I prefer to stay at home most of times. Bogota is a chaotic city, so if we go out on Sundays it's like a lot of noise. Another things that I am not good at is playing guitar. I enjoy to play guitar, but I'm not that good. So when I practice, I try to improve each time, but I am like in the process yet. Something that I hate, it's tight clothes. I cannot stand tight clothes, so I try to buy things that are like baggy, but not like rap singer. But yes, they are not like that tight for me, and that is the way I like to dress. And finally, disorder. I cannot work with disorder around me or concentrate. So I need to clean my room or clean my table to work. I know there are many people that can work, and that is like admirable, because I look at them and I wonder how they can do that. And that is a way of working that I admire, because it's like they are focused in what they are focused, but if I have to sort it around, I cannot with that. So it's like a good and a bad thing at the same time. Okay, now I'm going to share with you my friend routine and mine. We are pretty different. I don't know why we are even friends. I think we have good vibes, and that's why. Because other ways, I cannot like tell why. So he is such an active person. He loves to work out, go dancing, and that stuff. So here I have some pictures that describes my friend's routine. He, if he could go dance every day, he would go, because he loves to dance any kind of music. Um, he learned, I don't know how he learned, like going to parties sometimes, or every Sunday. So he learned to dance very well. He really likes to go shopping, and sometimes he takes me with him, but I am not like a good companion for that kind of stuff, because I don't have this fashion sense of, yes, you know. But yes, I enjoy it. I try to help him um, as much as I can. And he, I don't know what he enjoys the most, he loves most, if go to dance or traveling um, to different places. We both like, but it's not like I have the energy that he has. So yes, he loves to go to new places, know new people, and interact with others. He has this people gift, and yeah, that's amazing. And finally, he uh, is really into the social media. He loves to take pictures of himself and with others. And when we are together, he loves to take pictures of me. He says I'm photogenic, but I don't think that. But however, I do it for him, because he really loved to take pictures. And well, these are mine. I just put three photos. Why? Because one of the most one the likes and dislikes, my likes are like pretty much my routine, like reading books, like staying at home, like cleaning my house, are like the things that I do in my free time. I work out like 2 times per week when I want. The only exercise I do is when I go to my job, to my work, by riding bike. And I think that is that like the most um like the exercise I do per week. So that is enough for me. And family time, I love just to have this family time, to spend time with them, and not going out, just staying at home, talking of different things to other families, of about other families. And yes, is how I enjoy my time. So I really like to clean my space. I enjoy reading books, and I loved have having family time. And finally, the this is the image I choose. Is sunny day. I love sunny days. The sunny days are like, for me, I am like I don't know how do you say that, this flower that is girasol. I'm sorry if I forget the name. uh and yes, I'm one of those of beautiful flowers, because sun is like the all for me. And I love big spaces and also green spaces. So you can see there is a big city behind, and there is some people here. Like it's empty. I think it's Monday, and they are going back to work. Some of them are just having fun, like this girl that has a beautiful bike, a red bike, and she is having a good time. She's blonde. And we have here a guy who's going to work, going back to work. I think he was having lunch, and now and here we have another guy who's sitting in the park reading newspaper, and he seems to like it. And this girl who probably is going also back to work, and she has a beautiful red skirt and beautiful purse also, orange purse, and high heels. I don't know how she can with high heels uh, going to work. I couldn't stand it. And finally, here we have someone who is running in at midday. I don't know, maybe she, because I can see a ponytail. She is like passing time, exercising a little bit, and yes, that's pretty much it. Well, we have also rain sounds, trees, and light posts, and yes, it's a beautiful, beautiful day. Thank you so much for watching. I really enjoyed to share with you my likes, dislikes, my friends and I routine, and of course to describe this picture for you. I hope you have a good day. Bye.